Next to lunch, dinner, and brunch, breakfast is easily one of the most important meals of the day, and your potatoes can be the best part. Step 1, get your potatoes. My favorite way to go is to start with leftover French fries, which are never any good anyway, so you might as well fry them up. Pretty much any kind of leftover potato will work, even mashed ones, but if you don't have any leftovers on hand, you can always cut up some potatoes and boil them until a fork goes in easily. The potatoes I'm using here, I boiled last night. Step 2 is cook a few strips of bacon in a heavy skillet. Take the bacon out, but leave the hot fat in the pan. Then, carefully add your potatoes. Give them a few shakes of Cajun seasoning, which is my preference, but you could also use a little smoked paprika, black pepper, or a splash of hot sauce to make it interesting. If you're not using something like this, make sure you add a little salt along with any other spices or seasonings. This stuff has the salt already built in. For a batch of potatoes this size, I start with maybe a half a teaspoon of salt and then taste it after it's cooked for a bit and see if you need more then. Add a handful of chopped onion, maybe some bell pepper, and crumble that bacon up and put that back in too. Crumble, 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 crumble. Mix it all together and make sure to let it sit and brown on the bottom for a little bit. Check on it by turning over a little bit, and when it's crispy and done the way you like it, it's done. I like it crispy and pretty close to burnt. You might have different feelings on that kind of thing, and that's okay. That's it. Breakfast potatoes, home fries, call them whatever. You did great. And thank you for watching all the way to the end too. It does mean a lot. If I helped you in any way, you can help me by hitting the subscribe button, throwing me a like, or paying off my car. I hope you learned something today. Peace.